Wala siyang button, guys. So, wow, 1.8! Ah! Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wow, there's like roses and stuff. May 3 dots. Oh, I just clicked the... Oh, there! Flip camera, bro. Yun pala yun. There, yeah. So, yun pala yun. Thank you. Thank you so much. Vibes. I've been trying to put this. I don't know if I will put this. Hands are a bit shaky today. I'm not sure why. I didn't even have coffee yet. I need coffee today. Kailan kayo lalabas sa ating kapatid? Today! That's why we're going live. Oh my gosh, 2,000! Thank you, guys! Uy, last time sa live, umabot ako ng 12,000. Baka naman, guys. And right after here, tawid tayo sa Blue app. Am I right? Blue app and Red app. Ah, ang galing ko. Okay, now the problem is I need a mirror though. So, ganun pala. I can't show products. Am I right, guys? Tama ba to? Hold on, y'all. I'm just trying this out. Curious lang. Oh wow, it's really pretty. I like this. Wait lang, question guys. Please comment down below. Am I allowed to show products? Ito kasi yung kay Kwa. I'm so scared to show it. Baka mabana ko. But yeah. Fabulous siya. It's Kwa's lashes. And I learned how to do this masterclass niya. Solid. So, ang alam ko is 1, 2, 3. But not at the super edge. Yung just a bit, you know. Okay guys, what else should I know about TikTok? I love learning from you guys. Thank you. Grabe ang dami nyo. 1.8. Ah, thank you. Thank you all. Also guys, grabe ang ganda ng palette ni Jelly. This one. Oh, it's my ride or die right now, girl. Oh, it's my ride or die. It's the best. Are you wearing contacts? No, I'm not. I should though. I'm really blind. Ah, 4 pala to. Oh no, it's 4. Okay. I guess I'll just stick to 3. Okay, I'm like trying my best here. I'm just trying this out. Oh yeah, I got it. I know how to flip. I know how to flip the screen na. Thank you though. I mean the screen, the camera, the screen? Okay, I'm gonna do this again. Sorry guys, if you don't wanna see like eyeballs or anything, I'm so sorry. Thanks you guys. OMG. Tama ba to? There we go. Oh, it's actually really nice. It's really pretty. I like it. But I think I will stick to... Oh, it's folding, girl. Happy birthday. Oh, you're not allowed to show products? Oh, okay. My bad. Okay, well, just in case this isn't sponsored. Para lang clear. Oh my gosh, 2.9K! Grabe, ang bilis naman! Thanks, guys! Lahat kayo ha, dapat tawid kayo sa Blue app or Red app ha. Whatever is easier for you. Oh my gosh, it's flipping. Sorry, that's on me. That's on me. I'm still learning how to put this kasi. Yeah, I don't think... It's nice though, right? It's giving. I need to curl it properly. Whoa, 3.5k, y'all! Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, and then I think I'm just gonna put... I'll put one more siguro. Yeah, I'll put one more. I'm just playing around with this honestly because I want to learn also. Oh, I may confetti. And sent a confetti. Thank you for the confetti. That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, medyo nanginginig ako. Not gonna lie. It's really nice. I like the lashes. Is a slay. Oh, another confetti. Thank you so much. That's so cool. Why do I feel like this is like... Oh, I think I put it too far back. Okay, yeah. So for those who are getting confused, I have hypothyroidism. I don't have hyperthyroidism. And yes, it is possible to stabilize your metabolism despite having hypothyroidism. You just need to be medicated properly and change of lifestyle talaga. You really have to make those changes. Hindi po ako hyper. I don't have hyperthyroidism. That's not how I lost weight. I have hypothyroidism, but that is not also how I lost weight. Hold on. Sorry, I want to fix this real quick because it's hurting my eyes. Sorry, I'm sure you guys are freaked out. Also guys, I did not lose weight quickly. Maybe I haven't been posting a lot, I don't know. But it took me more than a year for my weight loss journey, and I'm still continuing my weight loss journey. I do eat rice from time to time, but at the start, I had to I had to cut it out for a bit. So I replaced it with shirataki rice. Actually, now I eat shirataki rice when I'm at home, but then when I'm out, I eat rice per portion. Ayun lang. Paano ba ito i-mute? Oh, there.